Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to update Real Boxing 2. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the application already and click on Play Store. Next you'll see search option, you have to click on that and type Real Boxing 2. And now there you will see game which is already installed. You have to click on that and you have to click on update. It might take you few seconds to few minutes depending on your internet speed. Here you can see play option, which means now your app is updated. So this is how you update Real Boxing 2. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.